Hey YouTube, thanks for checking out another Educated Fit video. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration and giving my first impression on the Happy Food Co. meal kit. But before we get into the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, because who will want to miss another Educated Fit video? Like, this is cool, it's local, and it's cheap. This meal is a beef harvest soup with local Asiago rolls. Say that 5 times fast. The serving size is 2. It costs about $16 and it's 740 calories per serving. Not too bad. Now let's open this bad boy up and see what it all looks like. Now the first thing I am so excited about is that everything is individually packaged. It's already measured, so I don't have to do any of the extra, and I have exactly what I need to prepare this perfectly. And then it comes with the step-by-step instructions and all of the ingredients in case I ever wanted to make this again without the box. First, I'm going to add my olive oil packet to the pot. Then I'm going to toss in the chopped vegetables, and then I'm going to slam in the ground beef and chop down that ground beef a little bit and allow it to cook. Just saute it for about 5 to 7 minutes until your ground beef is thoroughly cooked. Actually set my timer for 5 minutes so that I don't get lost and forget it's there and I get all dried out. That wouldn't be great at all. Now while that's cooking, I have 4 cups of water heating up in the microwave, and now I'm going to add the 2 packets of concentrated beef stock to the water and mix that up. I'm going to let it sit for a little while right after that. This was a little weird for me. I never used beef concentrate before, so it was a little different for me. Now I'm going to add my chopped butternut squash, the pre-packaged thyme. Reach over here and get this parsley. There we go, parsley. And then I added the roasted garlic, which smells so good. I love garlic so much. Give it a little mix. Now I'm going to add in my wild rice, and obviously I had to mix that around just a little bit before I picked up this now broth, and I'm going to dump that right into the pot. And I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes because now I have to allow it to simmer for 10 minutes, and of course give it another little mix, a little stir, and then we wait. Now once it is simmering, I'm going to go ahead and add a couple more things. I'm going to add the spinach that was already pre-packaged. Perfect. Then I'm going to toss in some tomatoes, which is already packaged for me. Perfect. Going to give it another little stir. Stir it up. Then I'm going to set my timer for another 10 minutes. Now I'm just cutting my lemon because the lemon is supposed to top it all off, and squeeze the juice of half of the lemon in there. Make sure you try to get those seeds out of there. And this took 33 minutes. Not too bad. Now the rolls are already made. I just heated them up in the oven, and for me to get an accurate calorie count, I had to obviously weigh everything that's in this pot so that I'm eating the appropriate serving. And here is the final look in the bowl. I decided to only go with half of the roll because the roll has cheese. I'm lactose intolerant. It's not gonna work. So let's see what it tastes like. There we go. Okay. It's really good, guys. So I'm about to eat this. I only did a fourth of the total recipe. Well, that's what's in my bowl, because it's actually a lot, and for me to eat one actual serving, like, it's actually too much for me to eat in one sitting. But I will eat some again a little bit later. And yeah, that's it. I am very interested in buying another one to try out a different recipe, so we will definitely see how that goes. That's all. Thanks for watching. Check you guys in the next one. Bye.